Hello and Happy New Year, everyone. Today I'm going to let you know where the top performing neighborhoods were in the city of Guelph for the full year of 2019. The median sales price of all homes in Guelph rose by 7.7% throughout the year, so let's take a look at which neighborhoods led the way. The neighborhoods with the largest median sales price gains for 2019 relative to 2018 were number 1, Dovercliffe and Old University with a 28.9% increase. Number 2 was downtown Guelph with a 17.4% increase. Number 3 was St. Patrick's Ward with a 14.5% increase. Number 4 was Riverside Park with a 14.1% increase. And last but not least, number 5 is Kortright Hills with a 13.3% increase. As you could see, Dovercliffe and Old University was by far the strongest neighborhood from a sales price standpoint, but let's see who the fastest selling neighborhoods were for the year. Taking into consideration median days on market, the fastest selling neighborhoods in Guelph for 2019 were number 1, General Hospital at 11 days. Number 2, Dovercliffe Old University, there on the list again at 13 days. Number 3 was St. George's at 13 days. Onward Willow also had a 13-day median days on market. And then finally, Grange Road was number 5 at 14 days on market. Those were the big winners for 2019. If you didn't see your neighborhood on the list, I've attached the full market report below. If you'd like a more detailed conversation about how your neighborhood did throughout the year and how the market is currently performing, please give me a call. I'd be happy to have a conversation with you and help you with your real estate needs.